of the captain and the entire crew, a very warm welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5, the home of British Airways, where the time now is just approaching 5:15 in the afternoon. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been turned off. When it is safe to leave your seats, we do ask you take care when opening any of the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and may fall out and cause injury. Before you do leave us this afternoon, please do ensure you have all your personal belongings with you, remembering to check the overhead lockers and seat pockets in front of you for all smaller items. We would like to remind you that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated smoking area. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Our British Airways ground support teams will be meeting the flight, so if you do require any further assistance once inside the terminal building, they'll be more than happy to assist. Alternatively, you can seek any assistance from any of our One World Alliance partners. For our customers who have asked for any additional assistance to leave the aircraft this evening, may we kindly ask you remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and then my crew will be on hand to assist you further. We would like to remind you to have your passports and arrival documentation ready for inspection once inside the terminal building. If you are ending your journey in London today, once you do leave the aircraft, we do ask you to follow the yellow signs for arrivals. For our customers connecting on to other flights from London this evening, once you do leave the aircraft, please do follow the purple signs for flight connections, where our flight connection colleagues will be waiting to assist you with your onward travel. Well, all that's left for us to say today on behalf of the captain, the entire crew on board British Airways and the One World Alliance, we'd like to welcome home our customers who do live here in London and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you are travelling on further this evening, we do wish you a pleasant and safe onward journey. On behalf of my entire crew on board, it's been our absolute pleasure looking after you, and we do look forward to welcoming you back on board again very soon. Once again, thank you and a very good afternoon.